Hi, this is Brad with Thorogood. Today we're looking at your number one question on social media: how to keep your crepe or white soles clean. To get started, we're going to need a pair of dirty boots, some product like OxiClean, some warm water, a toothbrush, and a shop rig to clean up any mess or overages that we do. First step, just get rid of any loose or any grime that we can just wipe off with a shop rig or towel. Just take your detergent, in this case OxiClean, and mix it in with some water. You can put as much or as little as you like in there. Well, next step, we just take the detergent and start working it in on the dirty areas. That's pretty much it. Then you just might want to rinse them off and dry them up. If your outsoles are beyond a simple detergent and a toothbrush, you may want to use a Mr. Clean Magic Sponge, or you can also use some sneaker whitener, outsole whitener. If you have any other questions, reach out to us on social media. Until then, this is Brad with Thorogood.